Our planet's story stretches back billions of years, unfolding across unimaginable spans of time and shaped by forces both gentle and cataclysmic. It's a tale filled with constant change, breathtaking invention, and the rise and fall of countless life forms. Sometimes a single discovery, buried for eons, can rewrite what we thought we knew about our world's past. Deep within China's ancient rocks, paleontologists uncovered a tiny, delicate fish fossil, no bigger than a human thumb, yet holding a secret that would stun the scientific community. This remarkable fish, dating back over 500 million years, possessed not two, but four fully formed eyes, an extraordinary adaptation for its time. Its existence offers a rare and precious glimpse into a world when life was wildly creative, experimental, and full of evolutionary surprises. The fossil dates to the Cambrian period, hundreds of millions of years before dinosaurs or even trees, when Earth's oceans teemed with bizarre, alien-looking creatures. Perfectly preserved through the ages, this four-eyed wonder challenges our ideas about the evolution of backboned animals, creatures that would eventually give rise to us. It suggests that evolution is not a straight line, but a branching tree full of experiments. Some, like four eyes, vanished forever. Others shaped the living world we know today. This tiny fish is a powerful reminder that nature's laboratory has always been full of surprises, with each discovery opening new windows into our shared history. The story of life on Earth is stranger, richer, and more wondrous than we ever imagined, and there is always more waiting to be uncovered. To truly understand this remarkable fish, we must journey back in time to the Cambrian period, over 540 million years ago, when the world was a very different place. The Cambrian explosion marked a turning point in Earth's history, a time when life on our planet diversified at an astonishing and unprecedented rate. Before this explosion of diversity, life was mostly simple, consisting of single-celled organisms or basic multicellular algae drifting in the oceans. Then, almost suddenly in geological terms, the oceans filled with complex animals, trilobites scuttling along the seafloor, bizarre predators like Anomalocaris hunting their prey, and soft-bodied worms burrowing through the mud. This was the era when the very first vertebrates, animals with backbones, emerged, setting the stage for the evolution of all future fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Our four-eyed fish was one of these evolutionary pioneers, thriving in a world filled with fierce competition, new predators, and constant danger. Scientists still debate what triggered this extraordinary burst of life. Perhaps it was rising oxygen levels in the atmosphere, or maybe it was the evolution of predation itself, as animals began to hunt and be hunted for the first time. An evolutionary arms race began. Prey developed protective shells and new senses to detect danger, while predators evolved sharper tools, faster bodies, and better vision to catch their meals. The evolution of the eye was a key innovation, transforming how animals interacted with their world and giving rise to new survival strategies. In this context, our four-eyed fish stands out as a marvel of evolutionary creativity, with adaptations that set it apart from its peers. It lived in a complex, ever-changing ecosystem where survival depended on keen senses, quick reactions, and the ability to adapt to new threats. Its unique vision system is a testament to just how inventive evolution could be, offering us a fascinating glimpse into the origins of sight and survival in the ancient seas. Let's look closer at this extraordinary creature, a true marvel from the depths of ancient time. Its story begins in the rocks, where its fossil lay hidden for millions of years, waiting to be discovered. The fossil's remarkable preservation reveals its most striking feature: two large eyes on the sides of its head and two smaller eyes perched on top. This unusual arrangement immediately set it apart from any other known vertebrate. The side eyes gave it a panoramic field of view, crucial for spotting both food and lurking threats in its environment. With such vision, it could scan its surroundings with impressive efficiency. The top eyes, fully formed with lenses and retinas, looked straight upward, an adaptation never before seen in ancient vertebrates. These eyes may have helped it detect predators or prey above, giving it a unique advantage. This arrangement suggests a highly specialized sensory system, not a primitive prototype. It was a leap forward in evolutionary innovation, not just a simple experiment. Advanced imaging confirmed all four eyes were connected to the brain and functional, showing that this fish processed visual information in ways we're only beginning to unravel. This fish wasn't simple. It was a sophisticated survivor, adapted to its world in ways we're only beginning to understand. Its anatomy challenges our assumptions about early vertebrate life. Its visual system forces us to rethink early vertebrate evolution, suggesting that complexity arose much earlier than previously believed. Evolution made bold leaps, not just small steps. This fish is proof that nature sometimes experiments in dramatic, unexpected ways. This animal's four eyes are a testament to nature's inventiveness, showing how life can adapt in astonishing forms. Using modern technology, scientists have unlocked secrets hidden for over 500 million years, revealing details invisible to the naked eye. This fossil lets us see the Cambrian world through four windows at once, offering a rare glimpse into the dawn of complex life on Earth. Why four eyes? In the Cambrian seas, danger came from every direction. The side eyes scanned for food and predators nearby, a strategy still seen in many prey animals. The top eyes looked straight up, detecting threats from above, like a shadowy predator passing overhead. This dual system acted as an early warning, triggering instant escape. The top eyes also helped the fish navigate, always knowing which way was up in murky waters. Far from inefficient, four eyes gave this fish a 360-degree view and a survival edge. Evolution once again proved to be a master problem solver. The Cambrian Sea was a battleground of survival. For a small fish, advanced senses were essential. The four-eyed fish's visual system was a multi-layered defense: side eyes for general awareness, top eyes for aerial threats. This specialization let it forage safely while staying alert to danger from above. Any movement or shadow could trigger a rapid escape, making it a tough target for predators. The four-eyed trait wasn't a quirk. It was a powerful adaptation forged in an evolutionary arms race. It's a vivid example of how life's innovations are shaped by the struggle to survive. This discovery sheds light on a mystery in modern animals: the parietal, or third, eye found in some reptiles and amphibians. Today, it's just a light-sensitive spot, not a true eye. The Cambrian fish's top eyes were fully functional and in the same position as the modern parietal eye. Over millions of years, these eyes fused and lost their image-forming ability, becoming a simple light sensor. The third eye is a vestige, a ghost of a more complex past. This fossil links ancient and modern anatomy, showing how evolution repurposes old structures. The bodies of living animals are museums of evolutionary history. For years, early evolution was seen as a slow, linear climb from simple to complex. The four-eyed fish shatters that view, revealing a past full of experimentation and complexity. The Cambrian wasn't a time of simple beginnings, but of wild evolutionary trials. Nature tested countless body plans and sensory systems. Four eyes was just one branch. Many experiments like this one ended. Others led to today's diversity. Evolution is better pictured as a branching tree, not a ladder. Each fossil, like this fish, helps us appreciate the tangled, creative history of life. The past was full of surprises, not predictable progress. Every new discovery can rewrite what we know. The four-eyed fish reminds us that life's history is a story of innovation and wonder. The four-eyed fish is a perfect example of evolution's grand experiment. There's no final goal, just endless adaptation and change. In the Cambrian, life had to innovate to survive. Nature, the blind inventor, tried countless solutions. Some, like lungs, endured. Others, like four eyes, faded. The fossil record is evolution's notebook, filled with successes and abandoned designs. Our own body plan is just one lucky outcome among many. This perspective is humbling. We're not the pinnacle, just one branch on a vast tree. It's also inspiring, revealing nature's boundless creativity. For hundreds of millions of years, life has been inventing and adapting. The four-eyed fish is a testament to this endless power of invention. Every fossil is a messenger from a lost world. The four-eyed fish offers a startling new look at our own origins and the complexity of early life. It reshapes our ideas about evolution and the origins of the eye. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle, linking ancient seas to today's animals. The story of life is a tapestry of innovation, adaptation, and extinction. There are countless secrets still buried, waiting to be found. The four-eyed fish reminds us that the past is full of wonder, and discovery never ends.